how to change the order of playlists in Spotify. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the order of songs in a particular playlist in Spotify. So let me show you how to do this. So first let's launch our Spotify application by tapping onto the app icon. And now once Spotify launches, we're going to go to your library, and within your library we'll be opening that playlist on which you want to change the songs order. So let's say here is this playlist that I have created, and now in order to change the position of the songs, I have this option that says edit. So simply click onto this edit button, and for example, let's say at the top I want the root song by Magic. So what I can do is simply tap onto these three lines and hold on to this so that it becomes popped up like this, and then I can drag it all the way to the top, and now it will be placed at the top. So whenever I start playing this playlist, it will start with root. And apart from that, you can also do it for other musics as well, like this. So after you are done with all of the structure that you want, you can click onto this save button, and now you can see that the order of the songs in this playlist have been successfully changed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.